Vidnami is now the smartest video creation app in the world. In case you missed the big announcement yesterday, the team at Vidnami has just launched a brand new artificial intelligence engine into their video creation app. And this major update means Vidnami is now without a doubt the smartest, quickest, and fastest video creation platform in the world. Now I know that's a big claim, which is why the team at Vidnami created a video to show you how the new AI engine in Vidnami compares to other video platforms like Lumen 5 and InVideo. A link to the software can be found in the description below. You'll discover how Vidnami finally solves the biggest problem with video creation, a side-by-side comparison of Vidnami versus Lumen 5 versus InVideo, and why Vidnami is now the fastest video creation platform in the world. So watch today's video now to discover how you can use the power of artificial intelligence to generate more leads, prospects, and customers for your business this year. Make sure you check out the link in the description.